we have completed mock test 7. The portion is tissues and we discuss the key for this mock test. 21. A group of cells alike in form, function and origin are called. The options tissues, organ, organelles, none of these. Answer for that is tissue. 21. The answer is A. Tissue. A group of cells which are having same structure and function are known as tissues. Then 22. Parenchyma which contains chlorophyll is called collenchyma, sclerenchyma, chlorenchyma, none of these. Because chloroplasts are found, that is told as chlorenchyma. C. Then 23. Phloem in the plant perform the function of conduction of food, photosynthesis, conduction of water, providing support. Phloem function is conducting food materials. So option A, conduction of food. Then 24. Which of the following statements given below is correct about meristematic tissue? What is meristematic tissue? The young dividing cells which undergo division rapidly are known as meristematic tissue. And regarding this, the options are the tissue is made of cells that are incapable of cell division. So that is wrong. And B is it is made up of cells that are capable of cell division. Meristematic cells will undergo cell division. That is why this is correct option only. C is it is composed of permanent cells. Permanent cells are not found in meristematic tissue. What are permanent cells? Permanent cells when necessary they will undergo division, but they do not undergo division rapidly like meristematic cells. That is why C is wrong. D is composed of more than one type of cells. Those are the simple cells only. Those are not complex tissue. That is why B is correct. E is made of cells that are capable of cell division. Then 25. Which type of tissue forms glands? Connective tissue, muscular tissue, nervous tissue, epithelial tissue. In this, connective, muscular and nervous tissue don't form the glands. That is why D, epithelial tissue is correct. Next, 26. Cardiac muscle fibers or the characters of cardiac muscles are given here: branch, striated, involuntary, all the above. All these are suitable for cardiac muscles. That is why all the above is correct. Next, 27. Most abundant animal tissue is epithelium, muscular, connective, blood. Most abundant is connective tissue because bone, blood, areolar tissue, adipose tissue, all these will come under connective tissue. So abundant tissue is connective tissue only. Next, 28. Ligament connects a bone with skin, muscles, bone, both B and C. Ligament connects bone to bone. That is why C is the correct option. Next, 29. Short branched processes coming out of the soma of neuron are dendrites, axons, neutrophils and botons. The short processes coming from the soma. Soma is nothing but cell body or cyton or pericardia. Both same only. From cell body, short processes arising are dendrites. That is why A, dendrite is the correct option. Next 30. Permanent tissue differ from meristematic tissue in what is the difference between permanent tissue and meristematic tissue? Inability to divide. That is correct only, because permanent tissue do not divide and the meristematic tissue divides continuously. Attainment of definite size and shape. Permanent tissue will get definite size and shape but not meristematic tissue. They develop up to certain extent and afterwards again they will undergo division. They don't get the full size. Performing a distinct function. Means in meristematic tissue all cells are same, there is no difference at all. That is why distinction of function is not there. So all the above is the correct option. So these are the correct options, correct answers for your mock test 7.